What a volatile day we had on our live streaming today when we talk about AI reversal around the 21.29, and we said this in our live streaming we do daily around 3 p.m. CET, and we said this. I should have a reversal around this area, the 2160 and the 2130. This should be a reversal area. AI should hold there to go higher. This is it for AI. The price went right there around the 21.29 and is still pumping. And we did almost, let me just check, 8% from this reversal. And there is a breakout zone will happen pretty soon. Mullen, we talked about it. We did video update pre-market on our Hunter channel on Patreon, and when we said the 4080 should be a resistant area on profit taken for Mullen before a rejection will happen, and the price went actually down after we visit our first profit taken. Next up, we talked about bbby and potential rejection around the $3.62, and we did the chart analysis update for it as well, and we said the resistance and breakout zone is the $3.62, and that's why the price gravitated down. We're going to discuss where the price will squeeze after that. We discussed Lucid on our live streaming as well, when the price actually pumped almost 180%, then went down. That's why we said never run after the price, but let the price come to you, because we said we need to have a reversal above this box, and we have a wick just as this box around the $3.30, and the price reversed and pumped again toward the squeeze area and the resistance, as we said, the $5. That's why the price went down. We got GNS have a reversal, and we talked about it in our live streaming as well, and we said we need to hold above this box in order to have a test toward the squeeze area at the $7.83. And you see here we have the third rejection, and the price went down. So here where the short seller are heavily positioned for GNS, we're gonna talk about the exact price target for it and where we're gonna go. And of course we're gonna discuss the SPY because it's still pumping. Let me just check. Yeah, almost 2% and still going higher toward the squeeze area for this year, the 430. So let's start our video with AI. Right now the price is about to squeeze from the 2340. As we discussed, the price level we should hold when the market open. The price gravitating down because we hit our profit taking around the 2340, went down for our support and reverse. So this was a great entry because we bounced from our MA. And now there's a potential squeeze for AI. After we break this level, there's a huge bump will happen. We're gonna do update for it around the profit taken and everything you want to know in our Discord and Patreon, so stay tuned for that. Mullen is still accumulating below the breakout zone, the 4080. So now this is good because we don't have a sell-off until the support, which is the 36, but we are accumulating below the resistance and breakout zone 4080. So what's the game plan? Mullen pumped today 11%, and good reaction that we talked about before, which is the 36, and we were hunting Mullen. If you watch our videos, because we always do update here on our YouTube, and we said the 25 is the resistance after this huge dump down, and we said this should be the support, and we did chart analysis update, and we said there's someone buying because we have accumulation and pump, accumulation and pump, and accumulation here, then we pumped finally. We said the 36 is the breakout zone, and we have this breakout today. However, we hit with the first profit taken, so this is normal that the price gravitating down, but we have to watch out now for the 4080. So the 4080 will confirm another pump toward this box between the 44 and the 47, which is the squeeze area for Mullen. Watch out for this level. So after we clear this level of resistance, we're gonna go toward this profit taking plus squeeze area. What I mean profit taking and squeeze area, why we have two different meaning. Profit taking because a lot of people will take profit here and the price will get rejected and go down. However, if we have more buying pressure than selling pressure, we're gonna have the squeeze. So we're gonna do update after we clear this level of resistance and profit taking. Okay, so stay tuned for that. BBY is still have a struggle to overcome the $3.60. As we said, the bottom should be the $2.23. We did this update before this huge sell-off, and we said the market maker will buy around the $2.25. We did this short analysis, I think, before the 26th of January. We have this clear indication for strength when we clear this bearish channel, as you can see here, and the price actually gapped today. But as we said, we're gonna have profit taking triggered around the $3.62. That's why the price went down. So now we have to watch out for this resistance, which is the $3.62, and the breakout toward the $4.40 first profit taken. And of course here, this is our support, and we should actually hold above it in order to confirm this reaction and never have a sell-off. So any price holding above this AMA and above this gap, this is a clear indication there's someone buying BBY, and the squeeze will happen once we clear the $3.62. And again, this is not the squeeze, this is just a breakout and soft breakout. This is not the real breakout and squeeze. After that, we're going to discuss the price target for BBY in coming days. After we clear the $3.60 and take our profit around the $4.40, we're going to do update for the chart analysis, so stay tuned for that. And if a breakout happened today or pre-market tomorrow, we're going to do update on our picture on Discord, so stay tuned for that. Lucy is getting juicy, as everybody is saying in our live streaming today. We got our alert for Lucy when we actually hit this level, the $1.80. So we already did chart analysis and we said the $1.80 is our breakout zone. And guess what? When the market opened, I got alerted, but I didn't check because I was watching other stock. You can see it clearly around this level. So Lucy crossing $1.84. It happened around the 15:36. The market opened after 6 minutes. We got this alert for Lucy around the $1.84. And guess what? The $1.84 is just above this orange line where we did this chart analysis before for Lucy. And the price bumped after that to hit the first profit taken and second profit taken for Lucy, and then overcome even our profit taken. That's why we update our level. We said the $5.15, $5 should be the resistance and the top price level for Lucy. That's why we said don't run under the price and let the price come to you. And what we said in our live streaming, of course, we said the price will reverse and getting bought back above the $3, $3.30. So we bought back here. This was a really good entry. So let the price come to you. This is a really good example for you guys. The price went down, come to us, and then we ride it up toward this resistance area, and the price got rejected and now consolidating down. So Lucy is pretty volatile. We might see a break for the $3. If we broke the $3, we're going to have another support that we're going to do update for tomorrow pre-market. We might see another gap up over the $5. So we're going to do update as well for the target level for Lucy before the market open and before our live streaming on our Hunter channel on Patreon. So stay tuned for this update. This will be urgent update because this one jumped almost 200%. There's potential for another 200% or 100% if we cross the $5 or if we broke the $3, because there is a strategy to buy the dip before the reversal, like what happened here when the price reversed from our box. So don't think about that the price actually went higher and you missed the trade, or even if the price went down, because if the price went down and the stock is still strong, there is potential reversal, and we're gonna buy with the market maker and we buy with the reversal, so we make money with the reversal. So there is many strategy we can actually do, not just buying when the stock actually strong and going up, and not even shorten the stock when they're breaking the support, but we buy around the strategic price value for the stock when it start to reverse and the market maker buy this stock, so we buy with them. So stay tuned for this update before the market open. Let me just go very quick for GNS. GNS have a breakout zone around the $7.83. This is a potential squeeze for GNS, and the price is still squeezing because we're still holding the $5.82. This one is pretty volatile as well. It's pumped before 100%, 200%. Today is 38%. So we have to watch out for a break for the $7 and first profit taken, from my opinion. After that, we're gonna have the $8.65, but this is just the beginning. After we clear the $8.65, we're gonna have another profit taken. Let me just check. Yeah, just this 10%. We can have actually 50 or even 100%. We're gonna do update for this profit taken on target for after the $8.65, after we clear the $7.83. So stay tuned for this update, chart update analysis for GNS and Lucy, because both of them is pretty volatile. Stay tuned for that. Lastly, let's discuss the SPY, man. Before we go, let's discuss the SPY because the market is hot now. You know why? You see, look with me. I don't have to say anything. What you see here, Yeah, clear breakout around this circle, and this is a bearish channel. You see here, a bearish channel. It's been like we've been trending this channel since 2022, in beginning of 2022. The price hit with a huge rejection and selling pressure around the $470, and we went until the lower price around the 350, almost $100 down for the SPY. Now things it's changing. The table is turning, so the ball is strong right now. And this, the confirmation for bullish trend continuation for the whole market is the 430. We're gonna do update for that, a special update for the SPY after we clear the 430. So stay tuned for this update. Thank you for watching. We're gonna do live streaming tomorrow around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. And of course, pre-market update watch list around our Patreon Discord to discuss the stocks have potential to squeeze the entry and exit. Everything you want to know. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.